Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to refund your games in Steam. And for this, first of all, open your Steam and then we go from Steam to settings. Then right here we click on account and then we can click here on account details. Then right now we click on view purchase history and right now you will find the games that you played. Then right now we click here on the game and then from here we can click on I would like a refund, so click on that. Then right now you will see here the game that you purchased and right now we click on I would like to request a refund. Then right now you will see that the 20 euros will be refunded to your Steam wallet, but you can check right here the many hours that you play the game. Keep in mind that you need to have the game less than 14 days and you play less than 2 hours the game, because otherwise you can't ask them for a refund. Please write down here the reason why you refunded, and if you have the requirements then this one is not red but green, and after that you click on submit request and there it is, your refund. Then you need to wait because they need to check your refund and in a few days they will refund your game. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.